factoring in the form of x squared plus bx plus c. In factoring a trinomial of this form, x squared plus bx plus c means to express the trinomial as the product of two binomials of the form this, x plus m and x plus n. So, example, our first polynomial is x squared plus 5x plus 6. Our b is 5 and our c is 6. So first, we are going to focus to our c. We are to find the factor of 6 or numbers which product is equals to 6 and which sum is 5. Again, we are going to find first the factor of 6, which is the sum is equals to 5. So let's write or take note here the factor of 6 or two numbers which is equals to the product of 6. We have 3 times 2, 6, right? We also have negative 2 times negative 3 is also positive 6. 1 times 6 and negative 1 times negative 6. So these are the factors of positive 6. Now, mangita ta din hi og factor nga when we are going to add, it is equals to 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Negative 2 plus negative 3 is negative 5. 6 plus 1 or 1 plus 6 is 7. And negative 1 plus negative 6 is negative 7. So, which factor of 6 here that is the sum is 5? So, we have this 3 and 2, right? 3 times 2 is positive 6 and 3 plus 2 is positive 5. So, that's why our factor is in this form. We have x plus 3 and x plus 2. So simply, this is the factor of x squared plus 5x plus 6. And you can check this factor using the FOIL method para makuha ninyo ni x squared plus 5x plus 6. So again, I will give you another example. How about this? X squared minus 11xy plus 24y squared. Our b is negative 11 and our c is 24. So first, we are going to find the factor of our c, which is 24. The factor of 24 and the sum is negative 11. Again, we are going to find the factor of 24, which is sum is equals to negative 11. So, let's find the factor of 24. We have 24 times 1, negative 24 times negative 1, negative 6 times negative 4, we have 6 times 4, and we have negative 8 times negative 3, and we have 8 times 3. We also have 12 times 2 and negative 12 times negative 2. So these are the factors of 24. And we are going to find here a factor which sum is equals to negative 11. So kung mangita tag factor din nga, mga equals man siya og 24 no. Mangita tag factor nga kung i-add nato mo equal siya og negative 11. So first 24 plus 1, that's 25. Negative 24 plus negative 1, negative 25. Negative 6 plus negative 4, that's negative 10. 6 plus 4 is positive 10. Negative 8 plus negative 3, negative 11. 8 plus 3 is positive 11. 12 plus 2 is 14. And negative 12 plus negative 2 is negative 14. So, which factor of 24 here that is equals, which is the sum is negative 11? So, di ara, di ba? Negative 8 times negative 3 is positive 24. And negative 8 plus negative 3 is negative 11. So, di ara di ay ato ang factor. So, we have x, negative 8, and x, negative 3. But wait, it's not yet done. We have y here. So, ato pong pangitaon ang factor ni y. Factor of y squared is y times y, right? So, that's why we write here y and y. So, the factor of x squared minus 11xy plus 24y squared is x minus 8y and x minus 3y. Okay, another example. Another example, we have x squared plus x minus 6. So again, our c is negative 1 and our b is 1. Walay 1 diri, extra. Ang x means man nga, understood na siya nga na ay 1. Okay, so again, we are going to find the factor of c, which is the sum is equals to 1. Sa mga itata. Negative 6 times 1 is negative 6. Negative 1 times 6. We also have negative 2 times 3. Negative 3 times 2. Right? Okay. These are the factors of negative 6. So now, let's mga tag factor nga i-add nato may equals og 1. Negative 6 plus 1, negative 5. Negative 1 plus 6, positive 5. Negative 2 plus 3, positive 1. Negative 3 plus 2, negative 1. So, asa man ato ang kuan ani gamiton? Sa negative 2 and positive 3, right? Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. And negative 2 plus 3 is positive 1. That's why our factor is x minus 2 and x plus 3. So, that's it. Sayon ra no. Last example. Last example, we have x squared plus 11xy plus 10y squared. So, our c is 10 and our b is 11. So, again, let's find a factor of 10. We have 1 times 10. We have negative 1 times negative 10. 5 times 2 is 10. Negative 5 times negative 2. Mauna ni ang iyahang factor ni 10. The factors of 10. So, let's find factor of 10 which is the sum is equals to positive 11. 10 plus 1, 11. Negative 1 plus negative 10, negative 11. 5 plus 2, 7. Negative 5 plus negative 2 is negative 7. So, what factor of 10 which is equals to which is the sum is equals to positive 11? We have 1 and 10, right? That's why the factor is x plus 1. And we have our y. So the factor of y squared is also y times y. So we have x plus 1 or x plus y. Kaya understood na si y nga na ay 1. And x plus 10y. So this is now our factor of this polynomial x squared plus 11xy plus 10y squared. Don't forget to subscribe.